Weekend Adventures is about a guy in an office, but he's like secretly this nerd, this graphic novel, comic book nerd. And he has this crazy imagination where these mundane, boring events turn into these crazy action moments. We see into his mind, and he meets this girl, and he eventually finds out that she's the exact same way.
We're able to play to all different genres, all different groups, within a really cohesive, fun, lifelike story.
Weekend Adventures to me is for anybody that's worked in IT. It's for anybody that's worked that 9-to-5 job that's just that boring, redundant work from day to day. It's just that place that you need to escape, where you're going down to the water cooler or the break room or wherever you're going, and all of a sudden the elevator turns into the mine shaft.
And that's where this idea came from. It was so real. It was so known, you know, it's something that everyone can relate to, and it was just like, let's do it, you know, this is awesome, let's make it.
Steve came up to me and he told me he was writing this short film, and he sent me the script, and I was actually on a date, and I ended up being a terrible date because I just sat there reading the whole entire script the whole time, and suffice to say, we are no longer together.
I was very excited, very flattered, first and foremost, to be asked as the cinematographer, and then I read the screenplay, and I thought it was an amazing screenplay.
It was something that caught my eye.
Going over and listening to every single object that's in this script, I get this very rich and diverse sound environment that I just cannot wait to jump into.
I'm definitely excited about the transforming the characters from the average Joe to like the superhero and seeing him kick some ass, because in the real world, he's very like just nonchalant about everything. You know, he has this coworker named Phil who wants to drag him into all these parties, and he's just kind of like, I don't want to be a part of that. But, you know, in his mind, he's this totally different person.
What kid doesn't dream of being an action hero, you know, getting the girl at the end and all that stuff?
I mean, it's the dream. It's the nerd's dream. I know I'm a nerd myself, and I can tell you that you just hope that one day you can meet a girl that's the same way as you.
I believe that working together to fulfill a goal is very important, one, because, you know, the more people you have working with this project, the better the project will be.
I feel like collaboration is not only encouraged, it's essential, and that is expressed throughout everything. Steve is very, very welcoming and willing for collaboration and input, as well as everybody on set. So our crew is extremely creative.
I woke up in a hot sweat around 3 a.m., and I remember I was thinking about the script nonstop. So I text Steve, and I go, Steve, my dream, since I've been thinking about acting, my dream has been flipping a table in slow motion. So I remember sending that text to him, and he texted me back the next day. He's like, hey, I wrote it in the script, and I just gave it a quick fist pump. And I was just so excited, and I can't wait to do that. My dreams are finally coming true.
So what would I say to somebody watching this video? I would say spread the word. Spread the word. Tell everyone that you know. Because Weekend Adventures is happening. It's happening, and it's going to be great. Now we need you to make it amazing.